Hey, good evening, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. So, word has it we got a Fepi dividend declared today. So, it looks like it was a little bit less than what we've been accustomed to before. So, let's go look right into it and we'll review Fepi, which is actually one of my favorite, most stable dividend funds. So, what we've got here, we'll go to Seeking Alpha. So, Fepi's currently trading at 54.33. If I look at the fund summary, so we've been around now since what, October 2023. So we're up almost $3 a share. Year to date, we're about flat. And this was actually a rough day for most of the market. Tesla got slaughtered again. So we're down about $1 since the end of 2023. If we go a year out, let me see. Yeah, October 11th was when it started. Okay, so we're pretty much flat. So there's really no NAV erosion in Fepi like there is in other funds, of course, as we well know. Um, so the last dividend was $1.15. I read when I looked $1.14. So we'll go with that unless otherwise corrected. But we were up to like $1.20 a few months ago. I was trying to cover this monthly. I might have missed a month or so, but if we look, yeah, we were January, February, March. We were consistently at like $1.19 until we weren't. We were at $1.09 in April, $1.16 in May, and then $1.15 last month. And that's the estimate that I actually saw for this month was like $1.14. So percentage wise, that's $1.15 off of what do we say, 54.33. So $1.15 times 12. So annualized, that would be $13.80 off of, let's see, 54.33. That would be a 25% dividend yield. Seeking Alpha rates it as a buy. Quants say not covered. So again, this is the RecShares FANG and Innovation Equity Premium Income ETF. And not to be confused like with JEPI, which is a Defiance one. This one I feel like is in a league of its own for sure. Got one comment so far. So that's the review of the fund. Let's go look at a few other things here. Let's go over here. Let's see. Let me do this over here. Okay, this is the same site that I've used before. And all it does, literally, it takes like last month's dividend and it just applies it to this month and it says, this is what's the dividend's going to be. It's a site called stockevents.com. Sometimes it's right. Sometimes it's been wrong. It's burned to me before. But it says $1.15 with an X date of July 25th. So let's look over here. See, the information's wrong here, unfortunately. Um, anyway, so this is actually going to be just an estimation video. So I'm going to suggest that it's probably going to stay the same. If I average these out, we're going to come to about $1.15 or so. Could be lower, but that remains at about a 25% dividend yield annualized. There's what we just showed. So let's see. And of course, we got some political stuff here. Let's back up here a little bit. News. Here's an article from 1 month ago, Making It Rain with Dividends with a covered call ETF. Fepi. Let's see who wrote this. The Gaming Dividend. What a great name. Okay, anyway, so that's actually my estimate for the dividend. Seems like we don't have it yet. Anyway, all right, you all. Let's see what else we can do. Let me go look over here real quick. Back up from here. Two alternatives to QYLD to consider for high yield monthly income. Oh, that's an old article. AI-powered passive income snowball, Fepi, and two other big yields. Fepi offers exposure to leading technology stocks while generating attractive dividend yield. I certainly don't disagree there. So let's look at this real quick. Let's look at total return since inception. Let's go look over here. So we've got this, and we're going to search for Fepi again. Fepi, currently 54.33. If we go to select metrics, total return. So from a total return standpoint, we're outpacing the S&P 500. That's impressive. and not quite an apples to apples comparison. We've got to do it from like October. Let's see, what was it? October 11th here. Okay, so let's see, 10. Let's do this. October 11th to present day, which is, we're almost at the end of July. Very hard to believe. Okay, so if we look here, we're almost on pace with the S&P. It's tracking almost identically, which is quite impressive. So the estimate, I gave you the estimate, $1.15. We don't quite have it yet. Might be tomorrow. But anyway, that's about all I have for you all in this one. Thank you for tuning in. Like, comment, and subscribe, and join Discord if you haven't already. And we will see you all soon. Take care. Bye.